Once again, my name is Michael Odiba, and this is Fire VIP. And there's a latest news. We saw a surprise from this platform, and today is still a surprise. The surprise was it came in with a new package which goes for 50,000 naira, a new package, and the second one was about 2 million naira package. That it was a surprise. You earn 140 daily. Crazy. Like I earlier said, whatever you do on this investment opportunity I'm sharing here is on your personal purpose. You are not putting a gun at your head to invest. And I have made money. I took my risk. I made money here, and I'll show you guys now. Currently, I've been seeing people complaining about withdrawals and all of that. I have not done withdrawal. I have 6,000 naira here. Now I'll show you something. I took me 2 months to actually did investment here, and from the look of things, let me show you guys my account. Okay, let me show you my income. If you take 4,000 naira here out of 21, I still have 6,000 currently here. You know that I have made good profit. It's not lost. This is not just that I referred you people. I have over 100 and something members that didn't activate. They were just there. You understand? So this is not something that it has to do with referral. I'm doing it because of referral, but you need to make extra money. That's why I'm always showing you these videos. That is it. Now, Fire VIP, I don't know whether they're paying currently, but we're going to hit my wallet, my receivers end. I have 6,000 naira here, so let me try 6,000 naira, and then I'm going to get 4,900, and it has gone. So I will update you guys if I receive this money in the next 24 hours, because what I did today, I'm supposed to receive it tomorrow. My upline complained about no withdrawal. I seen somebody's video talking about exit scam, and I'm fine. Like I already said, as long as this is what they are doing, you are in here to make money for yourself. But once again, if you are new to this channel, what do you do for me? You click the bell icon, you click the subscriber button to get notified whenever I drop a new video. Now I'll be very happy you comment or say something, then we know what direction to face. Now this has been paying, made 4 million, 1.5 million, 1 million. So many guys have made a lot of money here, and they are silent on payment withdrawals, but yet let's watch and see. Attacks are going on a daily basis. It's still there. It's not shut down, but what we see now currently is just figures, numbers that can't be withdrawn. That is all what happens most of the time, and this is just my opinion. You are welcome again. So my personal opinion, I'm not panicking because I didn't put all my egg here. I didn't put all my money here. I didn't just invest here and I just believe that I'm going to make billions one day. I did the one I can afford to lose. I did 4,000. I didn't do more than 4,000. People that are in big capacity did what they can afford to lose. Whatever you do, you are solidly responsible for your investment actions. That is just it. So I've made withdrawal now. If it comes tomorrow, I will update you guys that this actually reached. As you can see that running advert machine, people are still coming on board. If this is real, you can see from these numbers here, people are still coming on board here. You can see the numbers is scrolling up. People are already running super ad machine on a daily basis, but we can't tell. But let's hope for the best. Whenever it comes up, I will always update you guys. That is why you need to subscribe to this channel. My name is Michael, so that you get notified whenever I drop a video on these platforms, so you not get backdated. You not go and invest if it's not paying. You need to know that it's not paying. This is exit scam for me. I know it's gonna happen one day, but at a short period of time we can't tell. But as much as this is working, you venture into it and make your money. Already this is it. There's nothing else here currently again, but if I get paid, If they are paying smaller fund, fine. If they're not paying bigger fund, 1,000, 200,000, 500,000, fine. We will know that this is their challenges currently. We knew that these guys had money already, and this is what we have seen. Don't get it into your brain. We need to move on. We need, this is it. I was saying I had over 130 as of today. I can still tell you that people are still registering currently over 130 on this account. So everything we do here is risky. It's risky, guys. Don't give money you cannot walk over it when anything happens. I keep saying it. I'm going to show you guys an opportunity too that you can earn in 10 days. I have other platforms that I'm running and working on. I'm making money as well, and I'm going to share it with you guys. So guys, thank you for watching so much. Thank you for the new subscriber. Thank you for the old subscribers. We are very happy to welcome you any day, anytime. My WhatsApp number is going to be in the description of this video. To get on board on this platform we're going to talk about, the link is going to be in the description of this video. And then I'm very glad to hear from you again. Bye. See you in the next video.